afternoon, my students. It's good to see you online. And welcome to Film A or B. I'm making one video for both classes. They're practically the same thing, just you're going to see different movies depending upon which one you're in. Now, everything you could possibly need should be here in Google Classroom. If for some reason it's not, text me, email me, let me know, and I'll fix it. So, first things first, everything you need to know is in the manual. It explains in more detail everything that I'm about to tell you. So Film A, Film B, each is worth 5 units. So starting with Unit 1, every unit's practically the same thing. When you log into here, quick shout out to Haley. Thank you for letting me borrow your account so that I could create this video. I really appreciate it. When you click on, like I just did, Unit 1, on the right you're going to see 3 things. The first one, you're going to see what are called film maps. You can type directly into these. Each of you has your own Google Doc already created. You're going to watch a total of 3 films per unit. So by the end of the class, you'll have watched 15 films. Awesome class, right? So once you watch a film, and I'll tell you how you know exactly what you're watching, you fill in this film map. What's the title of the movie? Genre, year, director, who are the main characters. In your own words, tell me what the movie's about. Give me your response to the movie and give me an actual response. Don't just say, I liked it, it was good. Tell me why, what did you see, what was interesting, what didn't you like, yada, yada, yada. Go wild with it. At the bottom, you've got 3 scenes to describe in detail. I have not seen all of these movies. I wish I had, so tell me as much as possible about the coolest scenes there. Maybe I'll actually check out the movie later. So there's one film map. You do the same thing here for the second film. Same thing here for the third film. Total of 3. After you've completed those 3, you can choose of the 3 films that you watched for this unit, the 2 that you like the most, and you're going to create a project. There are 5 choices, so you're going to pick 2. You're going to do either the shot by shot, the compare contrast essay. You're going to either create a poster, which you can do in Google Docs. It doesn't have to be by hand. If you want it to be by hand, go for it. I've had some awesome painted and sculpture type projects from students in the past. Go wild. We've got tons of free time at home now. Get creative. You can create your own screenplay or a critical essay. You're going to pick 2 out of the 5 for 2 of your favorite of the 3 movies that you watched. Now, when you're done with this and you're ready to turn it in for me to grade, what's awesome is in the top right corner, you click Turn In. Do that for each of the projects and do that for the film maps. This tells me that you are done with the unit and I can begin grading it so that you can earn the credit that you deserve. So there's one unit. You can even click Turn In here. Going back to Film A or B. So there's Unit 1. Unit 2 is the same thing. Got it, thanks. Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5. The difference between the units are the genres. So going back into my manual, I will see Unit 1 is drama, 2 epics and historical, 3 comedy, 4 is either musicals or animation, and 5 is war and western. Now for Film B, you're going to see different genres because it's a different class. So check out what your student manual says. Again, I'm not creating another video. You guys are practically the same. Now I'm scrolling through to show you what movies, and there's examples of everything in the manual. This tells you how to do the critical essay, how to do a mini screenplay with an example below. I'm going through it fast, but you have it at your fingertips. Check it out. This one's film poster. Oh, and for the poster, you're creating your own. Don't copy and paste what's already been done before. I don't want copy and paste. I want you. I want something new and innovative and fun. Shot by shot. Shot by shot's a little harder to do because I don't have a template. This one. But create your own. All you do is insert little boxes into Google Docs. Easy peasy. You've got this. You guys are intelligent with the computers. with the technology. You'll figure it out. Okay, here's what I'm talking for movies. So drama is unit 1. Here's what it says we are watching. Sunra, you pick one. So Rebel Without a Cause. From the second list, you would pick another one, Days of Heaven. From the third list, you'd pick your third and final movie, The Shawshank Redemption. Awesome. One problem. So Netflix, they do offer a 30-day free trial, thanks to everything that's going on. I don't think it was that long of a trial before, but now it is. So 30 days, hopefully that's more than enough time. I hope we're not teaching this way and I don't see you guys for more than a month. That's just a long time. But we will figure it out if it gets that far. So for now, 30-day free trial if you don't already have Netflix, but a majority of these movies are not on Netflix. I looked them up. I tried. I know Shawshank Redemption is. I know Jerry Maguire is. That's practically all I could find for this unit. So, here's how it's going to work. If you can find a movie from each of these lists, whether it's Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, however it is that you watch your movies, and you can prove to me that you actually watched the film, I will give you 5 points extra credit for each film that you watch on this list, or these lists. Otherwise, stick to the genre. So Netflix most definitely has a drama section. Find a movie that's a drama. If it's rated R and you're under 18, I need parent permission. If you're over 18, you don't have to worry about it. Or just find a drama that's not rated R. Anything less than that, you're fine. And do your assignments based off that drama film. Same thing for Unit 2. Epics or historical. I'm sure there's a historical genre on Netflix. Find it. If you can't find these movies, that's a-okay. Find a different one that fits this genre. If you find one of these, you can get extra credit. Awesome. Love it. Beautiful. So on and so forth. I believe that covers everything. Thanks for watching. Text or email me with questions. Bye.